Hi, welcome to Modern Building Technologies. We have grown to become one of the pioneers in providing building technology solutions in UAE market. MBT offers candid services when it comes to solid surface vanity counters. Solid surface is a material used for making countertops. This material is highly suitable for installation in high humidity areas. This is because it doesn't let any water pass through, so there's no mold, fungus, or algae on solid surface products. It's also seamless, and can be shaped into any required form. It can even take the appearance of granite or marble, yet it's affordable and superb for mid-range buyers as well. Traditionally, sink tops are mounted to a vanity or set of cabinets. For a more modern look, you can also try a floating vanity. MBT also has an abundance of designs in solid surface. But we also provide customized solutions. Our aim is to deliver products that you need, with a touch of style and elegance. So you know you're in the right hands, when you're working with us. Call us today, and get a quote for your own personal or professional project. MBT. Building blocks of life.